Assalamu alaikum students, the Knowledge School Kite Campus, Class 1, Lecture number 19, and subject is English language. Today we will do two essays, myself and my pet. Myself is, you have to write few lines about yourself. Like number one, my name is dash. जो भी आपका नाम होगा वो आप यहाँ लिखेंगे. Two, I am 6 years old, and if you're 7 years old, you can write your age. Okay. If you're 6 years old, 7 years old, जो भी आपकी एज होगी वो यहाँ write करेंगे. Number three, I read in class 1. Number four, I live in Lahore. Number five, I love to go to school every day. Number six, I always speak truth. And number seven, I love my family. Okay, so these are the few lines about yourself. इनको आप write करेंगे और उनको अच्छे से learn भी करेंगे. Okay, now my pet. My pet, आपके घर में कोई भी pet रखा हुआ है तो you can write few lines about that. Like number one, I have a pet. Its name is Mano. Its color is white. It has blue eyes and a bushy tail. It is fond of milk and meat. It is very cheerful. I enjoy playing with it. Okay, so these are the few lines about a cat, a pet cat. Okay, इसी तरह से आप किसी भी पेट के बारे में आपने कोई भी अगर पेट बर्ड्स हैं या डॉग है उसके बारे में भी लिख सकते हैं. बट दीज आर द फ्यू लाइन्स अबाउट माई पेट. सो write these things on your notebook and learn it very well.